If you think students are too busy or too broke to make real money online, think again. Right now, thousands of students across the UK are earning £1,000 a month from their laptops. And in this video, I'm going to show you the real examples that are working in 2025 and how you can start doing the same. Let's get straight into it. The first example is students earning £1,000 a month using AI to create content for small businesses. Not influencer content, not personal branding, simple, repeatable content, things like short-form clips, product descriptions, newsletters, and blog posts. Local businesses are desperate for online visibility but can't afford full-time staff. Students charge £200 to £300 per client and take on 4 or 5 clients. The work takes a few hours a week because AI handles most of the heavy lifting. If you can learn the tools, you can learn the income. No experience required. The second example is students earning between £800 and £1,500 a month running niche digital shops, not dropshipping, not physical products, digital templates, revision sheets, planners, campus guides, and student-focused tools. Once a shop is up, it keeps earning, and the students only tweak listings and respond to messages. The demand never stops because every academic year brings new buyers. A few strong products can bring in steady sales without constant effort. The third example is students making consistent income through online tutoring. Parents want tutors who understand current exam formats, and younger tutors often get better results because they know what the exams look like today. Some students are charging £20 to £30 per session and tutoring 5 evenings a week. That's £1,000 a month just from sharing knowledge they already have. And the best part is that AI tools now handle planning, worksheets, and explanations, meaning the tutor focuses on delivering value rather than prepping endlessly. The fourth example is students earning £1,000 a month editing short-form videos. Brands, creators, and small businesses need daily clips for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Many can't afford agency rates. Students are offering simple, clean edits using CapCut or Premiere at £50 to £100 per video pack, or £300 to £400 for a monthly retainer. Even beginners can learn the basics in a week. Consistency matters more than perfect edits. The fifth example is students offering micro-agency services. This is where a student picks one skill, repeats it for multiple clients, and packages it like a service. It could be social media management, email writing, editing podcasts, running Facebook ads, building simple websites, or even managing appointment bookings. The key is keeping the offer narrow. When you master one process and serve multiple clients, your income becomes predictable and scalable. So how can you start earning £1,000 a month? Here's the step-by-step system every successful student followed. Step 1. Choose one skill. Don't chase 10 different ideas. Pick something that fits your personality and your schedule. Content writing, editing, tutoring, design, or managing accounts. One skill, one offer. Step 2. Learn it quickly. Spend a week getting good enough to deliver results. Use AI to accelerate your learning. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be better than doing nothing. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. 2 or 3 examples. These can be fake client samples. What matters is demonstrating quality. Step 4. Reach out to people who already need help. Local businesses, creators, small online shops, or parents looking for tutors. Not cold DM blasts. Targeted personal messages that clearly explain what you offer and the problem you solve. Step 5. Deliver quality fast. When you make clients happy, retainer income becomes easy, and it's retainer clients that get students to £1,000 a month consistently. Here's the real truth. Students who succeed aren't the smartest, the most confident, or the most experienced. They're the ones who keep it simple, show up consistently, and build a skill other people will happily pay for. £1,000 a month isn't a fantasy. It's math. It's process, it's discipline. If you want more videos that break down real income strategies that work in 2025, hit subscribe and join us here on The Money Shift. I'll keep showing you the smartest, most realistic ways to build income from scratch, starting today.